Yeah, welcome to the apocalypse. Let's have some fun this time. I was watching YouTube and show came across about George Washington's favorite beverage. Now you see, I got a favorite beverage I'm trying to not drink so much of these days. And that is dime store cognac. Yep. Reynolds. I have a nip of this at night. Well, I confess. Shame on me. Well, apparently, Mr. Washington liked a version of that. Yeah, I was going through a lot of dental work, and it was late in the evening. I was exhausted. Everything was aching. Went to the CVS or the local pharmacy and thought, all right, what here has a glass? And Renault had a glass. So I bought the bottle and found out I like that stuff. Would that be a lesson to you when you get your dental work done? Anyway, the thing is that Mr. Washington's version required years of fermentation and blah, 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 blah. And so we're not going to do that. I made a shortcut version of it that was a little too good. So let's hit it. So put in a little ground cinnamon. Yep. Just a little bit of that in your favorite brandy glass. And on top of that, throw in maybe 2 or 3 cherries that you have pitted. And then I just tear them in half once there's this giant hole in the middle, of course. So I encourage you not to do that unless you're going to find out how much you like this stuff. So that's it. Please subscribe, like, share, yada, 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 yada. That's it. Remember, it may be the apocalypse, but you still got to eat. Thanks. Bye.